Section 1. The Cosmic Code Deciphering E/mc². A simple equation, just 3 letters, and a number. E equals mc². Penned by a young Albert Einstein, a patent clerk, dreaming of the cosmos. This equation, it's a whisper from the universe itself, a fundamental truth, hiding in plain sight. It changed everything, our understanding of reality, forever. So what does it mean? E stands for energy. The universe is swimming in it. Energy is the capacity to do work, to make things happen. Light from a distant star, that's energy. The heat from your own body, energy. The motion of galaxies, all energy. It's the cosmic currency. Then there's M, for mass. Mass is not just weight. Weight changes depending on gravity. Mass is the amount of stuff in an object, its inherent resistance to being moved, a measure of its being. A pebble has mass, a planet has mass. You have mass, its substance, or so it seems. And c², the speed of light, multiplied by itself. Light travels incredibly fast, the universe's ultimate speed limit. Nothing with mass can catch it. Squaring this speed, it creates a colossal number, an immense conversion factor. This tells us something profound about the relationship between mass and energy. A tiny bit of mass contains a universe of energy. Section 2. The alchemical universe, mass into energy, energy into mass. Einstein's equation revealed a cosmic secret. Mass and energy, they are not separate, they are 2 forms of the same thing, like ice and water. Different states, same essence. Matter can be transformed into energy. Energy can be transformed into matter. A universal alchemy, governed by this simple law. The universe is in constant flux. Think of our sun, a giant nuclear furnace, deep in its core. Hydrogen atoms fuse, they become helium. In this process, a tiny bit of mass vanishes. It doesn't just disappear, it's converted into pure energy, sunlight, heat, the very energy that sustains life on Earth, born from E/mc². The sun is losing mass to light up our world, but the transformation goes both ways. Energy can also condense into mass. In the early universe, it was a searing soup of energy. As it cooled, energy congealed, forming the first particles, the building blocks of matter. We see this today in giant particle accelerators. Beams of energy collide. New particles spring into existence, fleeting but real. Matter, born from pure energy. So, the universe is not a collection of static objects. It's a dynamic dance, a perpetual exchange between the tangible and the intangible. Mass locked away as potential, energy unleashed as activity. This equation, it's the choreographer of this grand cosmic ballet, a universe constantly remaking itself. Section 3. c², the universal multiplier. Let's talk about c, the speed of light. It's almost 300 million meters per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth over 7 times in 1 second. It's the ultimate speed, a cosmic speed limit. Nothing with mass can reach it, let alone exceed it. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a law of physics woven into the fabric of space-time. Now why c², multiplying this enormous speed? By itself, the result is truly staggering. 9 quintillion if we use joules, kilograms, and meters per second. This C2 term, it's the great amplifier. It shows that even a minuscule amount of mass is equivalent to a tremendous amount of energy. The power locked within matter is almost unimaginable, thanks to this cosmic multiplier. This speed CE, it's not just any number, it's a fundamental constant of nature. It doesn't change. Whether you're on Earth, or near a black hole, or racing through intergalactic space, it's the speed at which reality itself propagates, the speed of causality, the universe's own messenger service, delivering light and gravity and information. So C2 isn't just part of an equation, it's a statement about the universe's structure. It connects space and time, it links energy and momentum, It underpins Einstein's theories of relativity, special and general. It tells us that the faster something moves, the more energy it has, and that energy has an equivalence to mass. The universe is deeply, beautifully interconnected. Section 4. Rethinking Reality, a Revolution in Physics. Before Einstein, the world of physics seemed mostly figured out. Mass was mass, solid, conserved. Energy was energy, ethereal, also conserved. They were two separate kingdoms, each obeying its own laws. Newton's mechanics reigned supreme, a clockwork universe, predictable, orderly, or so we believed. Then came 1905, Einstein's miracle year, and mc². It wasn't just a new formula, it was a thunderclap, shattering old certainties. Mass could be destroyed and reborn as energy. Energy could congeal and become mass. The two kingdoms were one. A new unified conservation law emerged, the conservation of mass energy. Section 5. Ancient Echoes, Modern Truths, Philosophical Horizons. This equation, mc², it does more than describe the physical world. It nudges us towards deeper questions, philosophical questions. What is matter truly, if it can vanish into light? What is energy, if it can solidify into substance? What is the nature of reality itself, if its fundamental components are so fluid, so interchangeable? Our senses tell us of a solid, stable world. Physics reveals a different story. Interestingly, these ideas of interconnectedness, of transformation, they resonate with ancient wisdom across cultures, across millennia. Sages and philosophers often spoke of a hidden unity beneath the apparent diversity of the world, an underlying essence from which all things arise and to which all things return, a cosmic dance of form and formlessness. Consider the ancient philosophies of India. The Upanishads speak of Brahman, the ultimate indivisible reality, the source of all existence. They also speak of prana, the vital life force pervading everything, and akasha, the primordial space or ether. These concepts hint at a universe where energy and substance are deeply intertwined, where all is one, a universe not unlike the one mc² describes. Could it be that mc² is a modern mathematical expression of an intuition that humanity has held for ages? The idea that the universe is not a collection of separate things but a unified, energetic whole. Science, with its equations and experiments, and ancient wisdom, with its introspection and insight, perhaps they are climbing the same mountain from different sides, converging on a profound understanding of who we are and where we are. Section 6. The double-edged sword: power, peril and promise. The understanding encapsulated in mc², it didn't stay on blackboards. It didn't remain in scientific journals. It leapt into the world with astonishing force. Unlocking the atom's heart meant unlocking immense power. Nuclear reactors, they tap this power. A small amount of nuclear fuel can generate vast electricity, lighting our cities, powering our industries, a testament to human ingenuity. But this cosmic fire, it has a dark side. The same equation that explains the sun's gentle warmth also describes the devastating fury of an atomic bomb. Tiny amounts of mass converted in an instant, unleashing unimaginable destruction. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, scars on human history. A chilling reminder that knowledge without wisdom can be catastrophic. The power of the stars in human hands, yet the applications extend beyond energy and weapons. This understanding of mass energy permeates modern